I don't do the most, but I do a lot. I'ma make a toast, cause we still alive. No big, I feel like Pac. I shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot. Yeah, coming in hot.
Today I want to do a quick video on some of my stuff I use for the car shows, mainly being the door props. I know you can go to a lot of different companies and get door props made, very elaborate, a lot of design, but if you want just a simple something to hold the door open so that people can look in the car but not actually open the doors and mess with anything, then this is probably the best solution you'll find out there. Now, what I use to make my props are these metal tie-down straps. You can get them from Lowe's, any place like that. And basically what I do is I measure out the length that I want the door to be open. I cut the strip. I use 10 snips to cut the strip. On one end, I will drill a hole to stick a bolt through, and then that bolt basically sits inside the open door latch mechanism. And then I use my Dremel to cut a notch in the end that's on the actual door frame, the actual door hook inside the car. Made a bend in it so that it angles with the door, and then basically rounded off the edges and painted it white to match the car. It's simple, but it's effective in how it helps with the display of the car. So right here is one of the props. As you can see, on the left side there is a bolt, and on the right side is the notch. There's a little bit of an angle on the side with the bolt, basically where it angles into the door, and this is what kind of holds it in place during shows. Alright, so now to show you, here's what it looks like basically on the car. Bolt section just goes right into the latch there, and then on the inside it literally just notches over onto that hook, and it keeps the door open and allows people to look inside the car but not actually open the doors. So I hope this information was helpful. Quick, simple design to make your own door props, and probably the most inexpensive way to get it done. Just a few coats of paint on it, match the car, and it's just that next level stuff you see at a show. So hope it was helpful.